Okay, today we are going to be going over 2C, 2D, and 2E. And my answer for 2C was a beneficial effect my computing innovation has on society is to stop robbery and make homeowners feel more safe. It can prevent robbery because when a robber sees the camera, they won't rob that house because of the fear of getting caught. If they still decide to rob the house, the robbers would be caught because of the cameras being high definition, which makes it easy to identify the criminals easily. Another positive effect Ring's high quality cameras have is their ability to make the purchaser feel safer. Just knowing the fact that they have HD cameras makes them feel more secure. This eliminates anxiety from the fear of getting robbed. Even though this innovation has many advantages, there are still disadvantages. One of its harmful effects is its lack of privacy. These HD cameras can be put around the house, giving the owner the ability to spy on anyone in or around the house. These HD cameras make it easier to see what is happening in the video. For 2D, I said my innovation requires it to be built into a pre-existing doorbell electrical system. Also, in order to make it needs to be connected to 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This allows it to send alerts through the Ring doorbell app. This input is the video the camera takes. When it senses motion alert, an alert is sent to the user, which is the output. It is able to do this through the Wi-Fi it is connected to. One data concern is if people are connected to the same Wi-Fi, they could be able to breach the cameras. However, this is very unlikely. If they do this, they can see through the cameras. Another problem is after 60 days, the videos you take automatically become deleted from the cloud. However, if you wanted to, you could download them to your own personal device. And lastly, 2E, I have my three sources right here. Yeah, thank you.